What's up and welcome back to Vibe with Thee. We are now vibing. Today, I'm gonna give you one of my beauty secrets because you guys are always asking, V, how do you stay in shape? V, let me know your secrets. V, how do you get your hair to grow so long? Okay, I love to juice. This is one of my green juice drinks. This juice has a tremendous amount of health benefits. It helps with your skin, it helps with energy, including it detoxifies your blood. I usually do this in my juicer, but I realize not everyone has a juicer. So I'm gonna show you what I used to do before I had a juicer, and I'm gonna use a blender. We're gonna have so many videos coming up for you guys. If you want to check it out, follow along. All right, so now we just want to add our veggies. I like to put the things that are like the most juicy on the bottom. So I'm gonna start with my cucumber. I went ahead and I peeled it and I cut them small, and then let's go ahead and add our apples. The apples is what's going to give you the sweetness. If you want more sweetness, you can add another apple. We're adding 2 apples today. I have a bunch of parsley, throw that in there. Then I'm going to add a bunch of kale. Kale is a strong taste. It's a little bit more on the bitter side. So I'm only using 1. Usually I do add more because I enjoy the flavor and the nutrients, of course. And then just 1 huge bunch of spinach. And then some celery. Then we're gonna go ahead and do lemon. And then ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the ginger. I like to peel it with a spoon because it's, ginger is a very strong taste. So if you've never had ginger, you might wanna put maybe like a 1/2 inch. It's very spicy. So if you're making this for the first time, try half inch ginger and then, see how you like it. You could always add more. Ginger has tremendous health benefits. It's supposed to lower blood pressure. It's good for your cholesterol. Okay, think we got all our ingredients. Now let's blend. We're gonna go ahead and blend. Make sure you have a blender tamper to push everything down. Make sure everything blends evenly. Now, where the magic happens. I like to use a mesh sieve. This gets almost all of the pulp out. You can also use like a cheesecloth and strain it through here, but I like to use a mesh sieve, and I'll show you why. I just pour everything on in, wham bam, and you see there's a ton of pulp still, which is fine. You could make stock out of it. You could also, put it in soup to make it thicken up. So once it's in my sieve, I'm just gonna move it around so all the juice could come out. Just press the juice on through. And you can see I'm just pushing it down and the pulp will separate. If you wanna drink it with the pulp, you totally can. I just don't like it as chunky. And so once you get something kind of like this, then you know that you have gotten all the juice out and you're ready to drink. Look at that. And there you have it. Yummy. Good for detoxing. You can go on a juice fast with this and you'll be good. Try having these once a week. move on up to twice a week. These are tremendously good for you. So if you like this video, let me know. I want to know what you guys are liking, you know? I want to know what I should be showing you more of. All right, well, I'm gonna be posting more healthy videos, so make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe, okay? Peace. And then we blend. Make sure you have a, and then we blend. Make sure you have a blender. Jesus! I'm so just crazy today. Yeah, of course.